Good evening. Welcome to the weekly weather discussion by India Meteorological Department. I am Monica Sharma, Scientist D from Cyclone Warning Division. I will be presenting with you the weather realized during last week and the forecast for next 2 weeks. During the week 1 to 7th of May last week, there was large-scale thunderstorm activity across the country, leading to damage to properties. Squall events were recorded in different parts of the country. Maximum wind of more than 70 kmph were recorded over Punjab, about 91 kmph on 1st of May, and over Delhi, about 70 to 80 kmph on 2nd of May. Heavy to very heavy rainfall occurred over northeastern states of the country and Gujarat, Rajasthan, and West Madhya Pradesh, leading to loss of lives and properties in Gujarat. The rainfall has been about 35% excess over the major parts of the country except the northeastern states and some parts of peninsula. The country as a whole experienced 35% excess rainfall during the week. Hailstorm also occurred over most parts of the country. There was no heat wave condition in the country. The temperatures were appreciably below normal in many parts of the country, and it can be mainly attributed to the consecutive western disturbances passing over the region, along with north-south and east-west oriented troughs occurring in different parts of the country in most of the days. Let us see the main weather systems that impacted the country during the last week, 1st to 7th of May. There were two western disturbances that impacted the country during 2nd to 3rd and another during 3rd to 7th of May. There was a north-south trough extending up to northeast Arabian Sea, mainly during 6th to 7th of May. There were a number of cyclonic circulations, one over southeast Rajasthan during 1st to 3rd May, southeast Rajasthan on 3rd May, cyclonic circulation over northeast Rajasthan on 5th and 6th May. There was cyclonic circulation over North Bangladesh during 1st to 3rd May. Another cyclonic circulation over Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal on 4th May, over South Tamil Nadu on 5th May, Northwest MP on 7th May, and South Telangana on 6th May. There was also a cyclonic circulation over Southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining South Andaman Sea on 7th of May. If you see the weekly rainfall during 1st to 7th of May, country as a whole received above normal rainfall. You can see the blue colored zones and green colored area. Most parts of the country received above normal rainfall, and overall if you see 35% above normal rainfall was recorded over the country, and there was deficient and large deficient rainfall over Jammu Kashmir region, then some parts of the peninsular India, mainly Madhya Maharashtra and North Interior Karnataka and northeastern states. And if you see the rainfall during 1st March to 7th of May, it was 8% below normal, and most parts of the country received above normal rainfall. You can see the blue and green shaded zones, and the red colored areas like Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, then northeastern states and Maharashtra region, they received below normal rainfall. Let us see the realized thunderstorm days during last week. Under the influence of western disturbances, thunderstorm occurred over Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh on most of the days, and the country as a whole received thunderstorm activity. And red and orange colored zones you can see experienced thunderstorm for 4 to 5 days and more than 6 days. Then the hailstorm was also observed over the country, and East Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha experienced hailstorm activity on more than 6 days, and other parts of the country also like East Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, East MP, Vidarbha, Telangana, then South Peninsular India, they also received hailstorm activity for 1 to 3 days during the week. And if you see the realized heavy rainfall during last week, then heavy to very heavy rainfall occurred over northeastern states on many days, and over Gujarat, Rajasthan, then West MP, East Coast states of India, extreme South Peninsula, they received heavy rainfall on 1 to 2 days, leading to loss of properties in different parts of the country. Then let us see the main synoptic features on 8th of May. There is a western disturbance over Iran. There is an upper air cyclonic circulation over over southwest Madhya Pradesh. Then there's another upper air cyclonic circulation over northwest Madhya Pradesh. There's an east-west trough from cyclonic circulation over northwest Madhya Pradesh to North Chhattisgarh. There is a north-south trough from South Telangana to Gulf of Mannar, and there is an upper air cyclonic circulation over southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining South Andaman Sea. Under the influence of these systems, let us see the weather that we are expecting and the warnings that have been issued by India Meteorological Department. And for 9th of May, orange colored warning has been issued for Chhattisgarh, and we are expecting thunder squall over this region, and major parts of the country is expected to experience thunderstorm accompanied with lightning and gusty winds, and yellow colored warning has been issued for major parts of the country. You can see the northwest parts, northern parts, northeastern states, central India and entire southern peninsular region. If you see the warnings for day 3, 10th of May, then thunder squall with wind speed 50 to 60 kmph is likely over Chhattisgarh, East Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha. And then thunderstorm accompanied with lightning and gusty winds, they are likely over most parts of the country, including the southern peninsular region, central India, northwest India, then northeastern states. And then heavy rainfall is expected over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya. Heat wave conditions are also likely over Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal and Sikkim. And dust storm is expected over West Rajasthan. For day 4, that is 11th of May, orange colored warning has been issued for Chhattisgarh, and you can see that we are expecting thunderstorm accompanied with lightning and gusty winds about 40 to 50 kmph at isolated places over Chhattisgarh. Then we are also expecting thunderstorm activity over major parts of the country, and heat wave conditions are likely over Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal and Sikkim. Dust storm is likely at isolated places over West Rajasthan. Heavy rainfall is likely at isolated places over Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Arunachal Pradesh. Orange colored warning has been issued for Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim. Then for day 5, on 12th of May, again orange colored warnings have been issued for Chhattisgarh, and you can see that we are expecting thunderstorm accompanied with lightning and gusty winds reaching 30 to 40 kmph wind speed at isolated places over Uttar Pradesh. Heat wave is likely at isolated places over Gangetic West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand and Odisha. For 13th of May, the thunderstorm activity will gradually abate, and country as a whole you can see no warnings with respect to thunderstorm or heavy rainfall has been issued. Major parts are shown with green color, and we are expecting heat wave at isolated places over Bihar, Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand and Odisha. And heat wave is also likely again on 14th. There the heat wave condition will further reduce, but we are expecting heat wave at isolated places over Jharkhand and Odisha on 14th of May. Let us summarize the forecast for week 1. So during the week 9th to 15th of May, we are expecting fresh spell of heat wave over East India from 10th of May. Then rainfall, thunderstorms, lightning, these are expected over northwest and central India for next 4 to 5 days. Heavy rainfall with thunderstorm and lightning is expected over northeast India during 9th to 13th May. And there is also likelihood of advancement of southwest monsoon and into South Andaman Sea and some parts of southeast Bay of Bengal and Nicobar Islands around 13th of May 2025. It will further advance over Bay of Bengal thereafter gradually, and with the expected advancement of southwest monsoon over the southeast Bay and South Andaman Sea, there is likelihood of development of an east-west shear zone over the region, and there is also the possibility of development of an upper air cyclonic circulation in lower and middle tropospheric levels during the same period. And for the week 2, during 16th to 22nd May, there is low to moderate probability of heat wave conditions over isolated pockets of northwest India. There is also low probability of heat wave over Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Bihar and Jharkhand during some days of the week, and there is above normal rainfall along with thunderstorm and lightning expected over central and south peninsular India. Normal to above normal activity is expected over east and northeast India, and below normal activity is expected over many parts of northwest India during the week. There is also low to moderate probability of cyclogenesis over east central and adjoining northeast Bay of Bengal during week 2. Let us see the forecast now in detail for next 2 weeks with respect to the rainfall. This is the forecast from IMD extended range model, and you can see that during week 1 we are expecting deep blue shaded zones indicate above normal rainfall activity, and yellow and red colored zones indicate below normal activity, and we are expecting below normal rainfall activity over Himalayan region and above normal activity over Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, West Madhya Pradesh and Northeast India during week 1, and during week 2 above normal activity is expected over most parts of the South Peninsular India, Northeast India, Andaman Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Then let us see the forecast for maximum temperature. So during week 1 maximum temperatures are likely to be 5 to 6 degrees Celsius below normal over most parts of the country during week 1 except along the east coast of India and Himalayan region and northeastern states. You can see the map below. Deep blue shaded zones indicate below normal temperatures, and red and orange colored zones indicate the above normal temperatures. And during week 2 the maximum temperatures, they are likely to rise slightly, and however they will be below normal, about 4 to 5 degrees Celsius below normal over most parts of the country, and except Odisha, Bihar, then Himalayan region and Arunachal Pradesh. Then the minimum temperatures during week 1, minimum temperatures are likely to be above normal over northeastern states, eastern states including Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and minimum temperatures are likely to be below normal over central and south India during week 1. And if you see the activity during week 2, the minimum temperatures are likely to increase slightly, and however if you compare with the normal, then minimum temperatures are likely to remain above normal over northwest India and eastern states and below normal over central India and south India. However, there will be a rising trend compared to the last week. If you see, this is the heat wave forecast for next 2 weeks by India Meteorological Department, and the first map you can see that it is the heat wave forecast for week 1. Heat wave conditions are very likely in isolated places over Gangetic West Bengal during 10th to 13th, Odisha during 10th to 14th, Bihar during 11th to 13th and Jharkhand during 11th to 14th of May. Hot and humid weather conditions are likely to prevail over Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal on 8th and 9th of May. If you see the map on the right hand side map, during week 2 we are expecting some rise in the temperatures, and there is low to moderate probability of heat wave conditions at isolated places over northwest India and low probability over Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Bihar and Jharkhand on some days. Let us see the forecast for cyclogenesis during next 2 weeks. The first map indicates the cyclogenesis forecast for week 1, and we are not expecting any cyclogenesis over the North Indian Ocean during week 1, that is 9th to 15th of May. However, with the expected advancement of southwest monsoon over the southeast Bay of Bengal and South Andaman Sea around 13th, we are expecting development of an upper air cyclonic circulation in lower and middle tropospheric atmospheric levels around 13th, and there is also low probability. If you see the forecast for week 2, there is low to moderate probability of cyclogenesis over east central and adjoining northeast Bay of Bengal during week 2. The area has been shaded in week 2 map. Thank you. Stay tuned to the advisories and warnings issued by India Meteorological Department. You can follow us on website, on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube and blog. Thank you. Stay safe and stay happy.